This tutorial shows you how to generate Adobe Stock metadata for free without needing an API key. You will learn to create, export, and manage metadata efficiently using the Metadata Generator application. Click the Sign Up Free, No Card Needed button to start creating your account without any payment information. Click the email address field to prepare for entering your email information. Enter your email address to register your account securely. Click the password field to set your account password. Enter your password to protect your account. Click the Sign In button to access your Metadata Generator account. Click Adobe Stock to access the metadata generation features for Adobe Stock Images. Click the Upload button to add your images for metadata generation. Click Generate All to automatically create metadata for all uploaded images. Click Export CSV to download the generated metadata in a spreadsheet format. Click Download with Metadata to save your images along with the generated metadata. Click Clear All to remove all uploaded images and reset the workspace. Click Upload to add new images for another round of metadata generation. Click Generate All to generate metadata for the newly uploaded images. Click Download with Metadata 1 to save the latest images with their metadata. Click Generate All, Export CSV, and Download with Metadata 1 sequentially to generate, export, and download metadata efficiently. Click Buy More Credits to purchase additional credits for extended metadata generation capabilities. Click Crypto, Global, to choose the Global Cryptocurrency Metadata option for your images. You have successfully generated and exported Adobe Stock metadata without using an API key. You can now manage your metadata files or purchase more credits for additional usage.